Welcome to the global headquarters of Property Management Inc., where we open doors to a better life. We're now in our franchise support center. It's here where we create successful entrepreneurs. We're excited to have you here. Come and join me on a brief tour. The reason we're the category leader is our unique 4-in-1 business model: association management, managing homeowner and condominium associations; short-term rental management, managing vacation rentals; commercial management, managing retail, multifamily, and office space; and residential management, managing single-family homes. Here at PMI, we provide our franchise business owners with industry-leading training, best-in-class operations systems and support, one-on-one business growth coaching, and marketing and sales programs. Thank you for joining me on this brief tour of PMI. We look forward to helping you build a profitable property management business. We are PMI, the property management people.